Okay, so when I go over to close my door, I don't know if this might happen or not. So whenever, if you don't know my cat, she likes it when I get her treats and try to close the door. Watch. No, I'm trying so hard. Watch. She's gonna try and open it. Watch, I'm gonna like. What are you doing? Hello? This time I'm gonna leave it just like that. Let's see if she pushes it. Let's see if she pushes the door. Yeah, there she goes. You're doing nice. Let's see. This is actually pretty funny. All because she wants treats. Because my dad told me she already gave her treats at like 7 in the morning. At 7 in the morning. And right now, I don't know what the time is. It is 3:56, and she won't give up. Oh my god, are you that desperate? You're that desperate? Well. This is my cat. Really, every time when she tries to get in. I recently just discovered this, and it's quite entertaining. I'll have to show this to my dad later. Peace out, guys. Hope you like this cat video.